Welcome. If you want to share your favorite memories or important moments with friends and family on Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to send a photo directly from your gallery using the Messenger app. Whether you're new to Messenger or just need a quick refresher, these steps will have you sharing photos in no time. First, open the Messenger app on your device. You'll recognize it by its chat bubble icon with a lightning bolt, usually in a blue and purple gradient. Once you're in, take a moment to sign in if you haven't already. Next, select the chat where you want to send your photo. You can scroll through your recent conversations, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person or group you want to message. Just tap on their name to open the chat window. Now look for the photo icon right next to the text box at the bottom of your screen. This icon usually looks like a small picture or landscape. Tap on it, and Messenger will open your device's photo gallery. If this is your first time sending a photo, Messenger may ask for permission to access your gallery. Make sure to allow access so you can choose your favorite images. Browse through your gallery and tap on the photo you'd like to send. If you want to share more than one, you can usually select multiple pictures at once. After you've made your selection, you'll see a preview of your chosen photo or photos. Finally, tap the Send button, which is typically shaped like a paper airplane or arrow. Your selected photo will instantly be sent to your chosen chat, ready for your friends or family to view and enjoy. And that's it. Sending a photo from your gallery on Messenger is quick and simple. Now you can easily share your moments, whether it's a recent trip, a funny meme, or a special event. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a hand. Thanks for joining me, and happy sharing.